Coming in on a high tide. It's pretty shallow through here. Taking it nice and close, nice and slow to the boatyard, which is over there in the corner. You can see the travel lift from here. Here we are passing the White Swan. I do electrical work and other miscellaneous tasks as a deckhand on that boat from time to time. And coming into the channel, Shay's still behind the wheel, leading us strong, and we're almost there to the work dock.
Guess what we're doing? We're gonna haul out again. Woohoo! And paint the bottom. I'm not gonna lie, this boatyard with all the hurricane leftovers makes me pretty nervous. It was also a super shallow, narrow channel to come in the whole way. But yeah, this whole thing kind of makes me a little nervous. A little bit more nervous than even Carriacou, but Carriacou was pretty shallow as well. Anyways, so here we go again. Here we go. We're gonna do it. They're getting it ready. Here we go. What do you think, Chachi? You excited, Chachi? Chachi. What about you, Vagabond? Are you excited, Vagabond? Vagabond. Vagabond and Chachi. Oh, Chachi's so scared. She's freaking out. Oh, Chachi's so scared. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, man. Going back.
I don't know if that's high enough.
I don't know. We'll find out if it's high enough. I think it is. Barely. Oh, but the cleat. Perfect. Oh, perfect. That was nerve-wracking. Perfect. Chachi is so scared right now, Ryan.
Steady. Yeah. Straighten up right there. I need 2 big blocks. Actually, go straight up.
I was power washing it. Power wash. Power wash. Go get another here. Bleh. I just got done sanding half the keel. I wish it was the whole keel. And I'm so done. And I still have another half to go. So over here we found some pretty bad but definitely could be worse damage on the bow. Yeah, so that's gonna need to be filled. Oh, and up there too. So yeah, there's a couple of, oh, it's 4 different, and I don't think he's done yet. He's still gonna pick away some more, all the damaged material. That's all gotta be picked away. So yeah, and we do have some small blisters pretty much all over the entire boat. Well, no, this side is doing pretty good. Mostly just, you know, some tiny blisters all over the bow and on the other side of the bow. And we have pretty bad crack right there. See that? That's amazing fills. It's not inside, right on the windows go out. So I can see how that eventually is. So yeah, so even go out. And over here, we've got some other blisters, one right there, and a little tiny lines right here, tiny lines. And then up there, a couple tiny blisters. So we're gonna take care of all of them right now. We're gonna take care of the blisters down there. Yeah, and take care of the fiberglass left. So here's a tiny blister, and see that? When you pop it open, all the water comes out, and that is all damaged. Oh, there's another tiny one. And the water comes out. Oh, and the damaged area becomes exposed. What is it? The layer. Oh, dang. That goes way back. So, yeah. That is what happens when you get boat blisters. It's literally a water-filled bump. So, there's some like this one. There's one that aren't we didn't pop them, but that would be the same thing. See, that's what it looks like before you pop it. And then you dig into that, and then all the water comes out. And this whole area is all damaged, the whole surrounding area. So, they're not too bad on our boat. There's one. But they can be worse. They can be worse. This is another one right next to it. Here we go, see? All the water coming out. Oh geez, we found a huge chunk that is letting water in the keel. Huge chunks. Started as this little crack, and we just tore it open, and it's going way back. Huge piece we're gonna have to reseal. Why is it all blue? Alright, so Ryan is going to remove the prop. That's a prop puller that he put on it. And just blasted it with some blaster. What's that called again? PB blaster. Here it goes. Oh geez. Did you break it? That was scary.
How it works?
Again, I turned it off because of the scary noise. Alright, there we go. He got off the thing. Yeah. The noise kind of scared me. Anyways, yeah, he got off the thing. That's how it works. It bam, and then comes off. Bam! But you just pull it off after. But the noise is not broken. The noise means bam, ready to pull off. So that's how it works. What are you doing now?
Take a shot.
Yeah. So we took off this little zinc thing earlier. We're going to replace it with a new one. That's to protect the metal on our boat. Bam! It's out. What are you doing, Ryan? Cutting it up?
Cutting it out.
Chachi! She's been patrolling everywhere. And she follows us wherever we go. She's like a dog. She loves to follow us everywhere we go. She loves to explore and hunt butterflies all in those bushes, grass. She loves hunting butterflies. There she goes, off to explore. The boatyard from Chachi's view. I just got curious. I was like, what does Chachi see? Oh, look, there she is. She's right there. There she goes. See her? There she goes. There she goes. This is the boatyard from Chachi's view. You can see under everything. There's a chicken under there. You can see under everything. It's quite a limited view though, if you ask me. But at the same time, you do see a lot more. Oh, where's she going? Is she gonna try and go up that ladder? What is she doing over there? Uh-oh. She's going up that ladder. She's trying to go up to their boat. I gotta stop her. She's trying to go up to their boat. She's trying to go up their boat. She's grabbing her. She's trying to go up their boat. She's going up their boat. Chachi! Uh-oh. Oh, dang. Chachi!